Do you hear that? No? Exactly. This is not a muted video, I'm typing right now. And yes, this is mechanical keyboard. This is a NuPhy Halo96 version 2. And it sounds almost like a membrane keyboard, mechanical, but so quiet, surprisingly quiet. Most people imagine mechanical keyboards as loud. Click, clack, echo, everyone is in the room knows you are typing. Your coworkers look at you, your partner asks, can you type a bit quieter? But this one is different. When I first started typing on the Halo 96 version 2, I honestly checked my audio because the sound is soft, deep and very controlled. The sharp clicks, not metallic noise, just a clean muted sound that stays in the background. On the ear it's close to membrane. On the fingers it's still mechanical. And that balance is exactly what makes this keyboard special. You still get that solid, confident, mechanical feel. Each key's press feels clean, but the sound never fights for attention. It lets you focus. This keyboard feels made for real work. Long hours, writing, coding, editing, late evenings, early mornings, moment when you don't want noise. You want concentration. A lot of this comes from the build quality. The Halo 96 version 2 has a dense, well-designed structure with multiple sound-absorbent layers. The stabilizers are tuned very well, especially the spacebar, enter and shift. No rattle, no hollow sound, just soft control keystrokes. The layout also plays a big role. This is 96% layout, which gives you a full numpad without making the keyboards feel huge. Perfect if you work with numbers, tables or data, but still want a clean desk setup. Everything feels compact, efficient and well thought out. Customization is another strong point of this keyboard. The Halo 96 version 2 support QMK and VAI, so you can fully remap the keyboard. Layers, shortcut, macros, all your workflow exactly how you want it. No heavy software, no complicated setup, just plug in and customize. For connectivity, you get full freedom. Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless and wired mode. Switch between devices easily. Laptop, PC, tablet, and keep working without interruption. Design-wise, it's very NuPhy. Clean, modern, slightly futuristic, but still minimal. And an important detail, this keyboard is available in 5 different colors, so you can actually choose one that fits your desk and your style. Now let's be honest, this keyboard is not for people who want loud, sharp click. It doesn't try to impress with noise. It's made for comfort, focus and long typing sessions. If you've never thought, I want a mechanical keyboard, but I don't want it to sound like a mechanical gun, this is exactly that keyboard. And now I'm really curious, would you use a mechanical keyboard this quiet, Or do you prefer loud, clicky switches? Write in the comments, I really want to read your opinions. And one more thing, for our viewers, there is a 10% discount. Use the promo code, you see it in the screen, and check out and save 10%. So yes, it's mechanical, yes, it's premium, and yes, it's so quiet. Do you hear that? And that's the point. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.